Hi, Genesis Sales Team. Hope everyone had a great Christmas. I'm back with another weekly discussion topic and video for you. For those of you keeping track, this is week 4. Week 1, we talked about the 30-day rule. Week 2, we discussed the law of need. And last week, we discussed the law of replacement. If you missed any of the prior videos, please go back and watch them. It's less than 5 minutes of your time, and it's meant to be able to help you and give you some inspirational thoughts, as well as maybe some ideas that you didn't think of before, and some friendly reminders as well. This week, we're talking about your most powerful sales prospecting tool, the phone. Let me say it again for those of you that didn't hear me. The phone is your most powerful sales tool. Again, let me say it again for those of you that didn't catch it. There is no other tool that will deliver better results, fill your pipeline faster, and help you cover more ground than the phone. So, it's time to stop looking at it like it's your enemy or an alien covered with slimy tentacles. And no, it's not going to dial itself. Here's the brutal truth. Salespeople who ignore the phone fail. They deliver mediocre results and cheat themselves out of hard-earned cash. Many salespeople, when asked by their manager to use the phone when prospecting, cite they're terrible on the phone and are much better in person. However, what many salespeople fail to realize is that in sales, time is money. And you can cover far more ground, qualify more opportunities, set more appointments in 1 hour targeted phone block than an entire day of waiting for the next up at the door. The phone is the most efficient prospecting tool because when you are organized and work within the confines of the CRM work plan, you can reach more prospects in a shorter period of time than through any other prospecting channel, even email. The telephone is also more effective than email, social media, and text messaging because when you are actually speaking to another human being, the higher probability that you will set appointments, sell stuff, and gather qualifying information dramatically increases. Yet many salespeople find it awkward to use the phone because you may not know what to say, don't know how to deal with reflex responses or brush-offs or objections, and are frankly afraid of rejection. And the biggest reason of all is calling and interrupting people you don't know is uncomfortable. We'll call it what it is. Here's the thing though, that's why it's called prospecting, not order taking. Look at it this way. If telephone prospecting were easy, everybody would be in sales, and we'd all be making minimum wage and living with our parents. So, hopefully you see the importance of picking up the phone and prospecting. It's your most valuable tool you have, so learn to use it and use it effectively. Next week, we'll get into more specific prospecting techniques to use on the telephone. Your challenge, however, for this week is to call every prospect you have before you send a text and email. Track how many calls you're making and live by the mantra again, one more call. I'll see you next week with a new challenge and topic for discussion.